Is this where it is? Alright, we're at another dark alleyway. We're looking for a Thai vegetarian restaurant. It's so dark in here.
What's the number? I forgot.
Number 9? Number 9. Sure, it's on number 9.
Okay.
Number 9. We're going to a Thai restaurant and oh, it's right here. It's so hard to find. This place is called the Thai Hakka Veggie Cuisine. We just arrived at this Thai Hakka vegetarian restaurant, and thank God we booked a table because it's pretty full right now. You can see the decor. It's quite nice here. It's a small restaurant, but it has that kind of a little bit of Thai feel. There's only around 6 tables here, and then there's also the washroom at the end. But there's only 6 tables, so you have to book a table for sure. The food's coming a little late, so let's start eating first. We had a combo, and this is the side dish. Tofu and vegetable wrapped in some kind of rice paper. And then we have our Thai milk. More and more people coming. They actually turned away some people because there's no more seats. This is the Chiang Mai curry soup. The top is crispy, that's nice. I like that kind of like half crispy, half soft noodles. It's not too salty, I like it. This looks like a drumstick, but it's not though. It's like tofu and some kind of mushroom, I think, wrapped in some kind of bean curd. It was really tasty. Try this one. No idea what it is. Potato, fried potato and carrots. Oh, it's really good. Okay, finally we got our pad thai combo. They don't have any like spicy sauce for you to mix.
It's on the back, babe.
Oh, we're supposed to get it ourselves? Okay, this one doesn't look as authentic, but let's try it. This is very Taiwan style. But then if it's vegetarian, I guess it's good. They don't have that authentic taste because it's vegetarian, so they can't use the fish sauce. Fish sauce makes a huge difference.
And that what shrimp paste?
And then the shrimp paste, they can't use it too, it's vegetarian. So I get why it tastes different. The noodle is quite thick. I prefer like a little thinner.